Sofia and Jamila's channel.
And by the way, sorry if you're not posting any videos.
Because sorry guys, my ate is in trouble. I mean not. We're not posting videos because I was not here. And then I was here when is June 6th. Like bro. I literally have new shoes. Look. Ate, kunin mo ngayon sa akong new shoes. Ayan yung mga tsinelas ko. Nagduduyan ako, guys. Ayan, guys, yung tsinelas ko na pambahay. Ayan, yellow. And then yung pink. Ayan. Ate, patahimikin mo nga itong duyan. Ito, guys, ayan, pink. Panglabas ko yan, guys.
Let me
So,
Have you
ito
ever
siya.
tell the reason why you're not posting any videos?
Huh?
Did you tell the reason why you're not posting any videos?
No.
Well, guys, the reason why she's not posting any videos is because, you know, she's in Cebu. She was in Cebu, and she's now here. She was busy with Cebu. That's why we couldn't post any videos. Because this is Jamila and Sofia's channel.
Pwede ka na ba mag-isa eh? At saka napanood ko yung isa mong ginawa, yung noob.
Yun?
Yung noob. Napanood ko.
Yeah, because I was too lazy to hate anything. But the noob was my first video. Guys, check out Jamila and Friends channel, cause that's where I post videos about me and my vlog.
Ate, patingin nga. Uy, ate, ako. Wala akong channel.
Okay.
Sige na guys, mamaya na muna. Bye.
By the way, guys, we have a birthday.
Bingi. Pangalan na kay Angeli. Di ba ate?
Ah,
Angeli pangalan niya. Eh si Angeli nandyan kanina.
nga.
Yung kalaro namin guys, dito kalaro namin na yung isang Angeli. Ha? Ba't namin tatapakan? Ang tayo. Pag may tayo, huwag tatapakan, di ba ate?
Nga. Di naman namin kinatap ka.
Ito guys, oh. Pwede ko siya ano yun dito.